push, my love.
But
Yeah, I told you I cannot use my foot, you know. It's very far where we are going.
But
come on, my love. You know, I'm your wife. I'm your wife. Oh, my love. You know what?
Yeah.
You know, the way you are pushing me, you are on the right track. I'm putting you on the right track. You know, you should get yourself a car. Yes, you have to be a driver because you're pushing me properly. You know, you are fit for driving these Porsche cars, you know, flashy vehicles. Yes.
Perfect.
Yes, you're very perfect, my life. Really?
Last impupeni crescita.
How?
Station wagon, but if it's twelve izinto ngathi siyaku honeymoon.
Okay.
Yes, into ngibonela phani sakalimba mbala belikhona. Le lokuzeni le okunye kuyilo kana ngomgodla wendumba. Lo mgodla wendumba athi lapha.
It does imbambayila ndumba, I mean it's gold.
Ngithi besilakhe emoto kokana singathi siyaku honeymoon.
Yes, I think they resemble gold, which means we're going to be millionaires, my love. We're going to be rich. Yes, I think in Bambaila and Dumbas, you know, are resembles of gold. Yes.
All right.
So I'm with the right man. You know, I love men with money. Yes.
Yeah, but imali akathezangila.
Come on. But you've just said that you had this fancy dream. You know, I like it. I love it.
But what isn't you, Sandoza?
Hey, who? Me? Foot? Me walking? You're not serious. I'm talking with you nicely. I'm being nice to you, but no. Every time I talk to you, you want to remove the demon in me. It's not proper. It's not proper. I'm not going to use these beautiful legs of mine. No, you have to. I'm your wife. What do they say? What does that saying say? That is the Ndebele one. Something like that, whatever. Yes. No. And where am I to you? I'm also a child. I'm your firstborn. Then your firstborn child is your second. I'm nothing like that. You're going to push me till we get where we are going. You are going to push me. Today you know me. You don't know me properly. You'll push me. You'll get where we are going. Push faster. Isn't you a driver?
When?
You are a driver. Make it snappy. Let's go. You think I'm playing with you?